Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming hardware compatibility and prerequisites. Don't stall. Check CPU model, TPM2, zero presence, and whether secure boot is enabled in firmware. Download the official Windows 11 ISO and Rufus 3. Plug in an 8 GB USB drive. Once done, back up your system image and create a restore point so you can roll back if needed. Make sure to record your Windows product key. That prevents activation surprises later. Now you create the installer that bypasses secure boot checks. Open Rufus, choose the Windows 11 ISO, and set the image option to Extended Windows 11 Installation, which removes TPM and secure boot checks. Pick the partition scheme that matches your target disk, GPT for modern UEFI or MBR for legacy BIOS systems. Then enable the Disable Secure Boot Checks toggle, start writing to the USB, and wait until Rufus finishes. This creates a bootable, modified installer ready for deployment. Boot the target machine from the prepared USB through the firmware boot menu and begin Windows setup. Follow prompts and choose Custom Install if you need partition control. If the installer stops on compatibility checks, reboot into firmware and toggle CSM or legacy mode, or recreate the USB with correct partition scheme. Once Windows is installed, run Windows Update and install all drivers. Then, if you prefer, re-enable Secure Boot and fix any driver signing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.